While because this will be our last major stop before we go to the marina that we're spending winter in, so we're going to enjoy it while we can. So we're here, we've arrived at the marina office, and unfortunately it's closed until 4 o'clock this afternoon. It's currently 3:15 or almost, so we've got 45 minutes to chill, enjoy the afternoon, and I think we're going to have a cheeky beer. That's better. Okay, so today we are going to cycle into Valencia Old Town. We did end up going into the Old Town very briefly last night. We just got a taxi in because Nick's father is here. He's doing a Spanish course, and last night was his last night here. So we went into town and had a meal with him, and it was really beautiful. So really looking forward to going in today, having a bit of a look around, taking the camera, doing some filming, and yeah, exploring and showing you guys what Valencia is like. It is kind of mind-blowing that suddenly, after kind of pootling along the Spanish coast and just going to these quite small like holiday towns really, that we're suddenly in this like really big city. It's a major city. It's I think the 3rd biggest city in Spain, so it's huge. So it's, yeah, really exciting to be somewhere with a bit of a different vibe. So looking forward to showing you guys around Valencia, and hopefully you enjoy it as well.
Trying to wake up from a dream is harder than it seems. Birds are flying all around, some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong, inside a simple song.
We made it. Valencia is very, very beautiful, very busy, very bike friendly, and we're just next to the Central Market now, so we're just gonna chain our bikes up, which Nick has just done. Well done, darling, and go and check it out. Nick, all good? Yeah, it's 32 degrees in the sun today. I've been looking at all the temperature signs. So yeah, it's pretty warm. I love getting to a new city and exploring it for the first time. There's just something so exciting about that. Ready to go exploring?
Yeah, just content. Very content though. Content and sweaty.
Two things that don't normally go together with you. Cheeky Instagram story while we're here.
I hate the word. Sorry.
You hate the word what?
People use the word cheeky. It really does me.
It drives me insane when you say you man.
You man, make the can.
You man said this, you man said that. Or you gotta be a bit cute. Be a bit cute. Why is this not focusing on me? There we go. Press done. So this looks pretty bloody impressive, to be honest. And World Paella Day, I probably didn't pronounce that right, but I was kind of close, was yesterday. So we just made it to Valencia in time for World Paella Day. Unfortunately, we didn't have a paella yesterday. Am I saying paella right? Can you say it for me?
Paella.
Paella. I want to say it paella, but I know that's not right, so I'm going to try and resist the urge. Yeah, this is the home of paella, for anyone who's interested in such things. And I do apologise for my terrible pronunciation of the word paella.
That wasn't ham.
Quick pit stop for ham.
Ham? Ham on a stick. Ham on a stick. Es bueno, ¿no? Bueno.
Muy bueno.
Muy bueno, muy rico.
Muy rico.
Ham on a stick?
Why are you talking like that? Una presa de coco. Success. Come on, let's go exploring.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on.
Josh, Sylvester Sinatra, por favor. Gracias. Muy bien. This is a little bit bohemian. If you go down the back streets, it's quite funky, a lot of street art, a lot of really funky looking cafes and things.
So we haven't even been in Valencia for 24 hours, and I think we've already decided that we're going to change our plans and winter here instead of where we were going to winter, which means that it's made a very positive impression so far. First thing we need to do is check out the local boatyard. I don't know much about it, so we need to, I think it's about 5 miles away from the marina, so we need to go get a taxi or cycle and check it out. Make sure obviously they've got space, make sure that it's reasonably priced, talk to the marina, make sure that they've got space for us to stay for the next month or so. We already know that the marina's reasonably priced. Nick, how much is the marina? 24 a night. But that's obviously on the daily rate, so if we're here for more than a month then there's usually a monthly rate. Yeah, so if all that kind of goes to plan, then we'll be able to winter here, which is really probably a better option than, we're going to winter somewhere called San Carlos de la Rapita, which is a very popular wintering spot, which is why we chose it. But it's another 80 miles or so away, which in itself isn't a problem, but it doesn't have very good transport connections. It's got a train, but there's no airport there. And it's a small town, so there's obviously a lot more going on here in Valencia. Easier for us to get stuff that we need to do work on the boat, and you know, more fun to, it's I think probably a more fun place to live. A more fun place? Funner, more fun. Funner. More More fun, please. Yeah, more fun. This is more fun than that. Anyway, Valencia seems like a fun place to live. Nick's shaking his head at me. Right, today's mission is to find somewhere to winter our boat. So we have decided to take the unusual step of actually going to the boatyard in advance and checking it out. Usually we're not, no, not bonjour. Usually we're not in a position.
Bloody confusing.
Usually we're not in a position to do that. So it's pretty exciting that we can kind of check out the facilities in advance. Normally we just have to go on kind of what the internet says.
Marina Pobla.
¿A dónde?
Marina Pobla.
Marina Pobla.
Sí, aquí.
Pobla Marina. Nos va guiando por aquí.
Alright, mission accomplished. Boatyard is all booked and we are getting the taxi back to the marina.
Thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you like what we do and you want to see what we do every week, then please hit that subscribe button. Cheers, bye.